Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel then hi, I'm Chikandoto. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you my maxi dress collection which I recently purchased from Flipkart during Big Billion Day sale. It's a huge discount. Go and check it out from there. It's already running and it will be ended in 21st October. So do check it out and do buy it before it ends. I bought lots of dresses and shoes during this haul, and it cannot be uploaded in one video, and I will be uploading one by one. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you want to create this look, it will also be uploaded in my channel in next few days. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you do not subscribe to my channel till now, then please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification next to it so that you will never miss any of my updates. Now without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. Today I am going to share with you my 7 dresses from this haul in part 1, and later I will be sharing with you my another 6 dresses in part 2 which I recently purchased from Flipkart during Big Billion Day sale. This is my first and the most favorite dress from this haul, and it is from the brand Parika Creation. My size in this particular dress is large. The price of this dress is 1450 and I got it at offer price of 895 rupees. It can be wear in any day function or any casual occasion or just a day out with your friends. Is perfect for any day out. Look at this color, it's so vibrant, and there are lots of color in this dress. There are yellow, there are white, there are black, and this dress has round neck and 3/4 beautiful black bell sleeves. The material is cotton blend and the fabric is so soft to touch and is so much comfortable to wear it throughout the day. This dress has beautiful print all over it, and there are 2 different prints in the yellow part and the white part, and the yellow part has a beautiful floral print with green tassel, and this white part has a very beautiful stripe print, and for this it looks so elegant and unique. This dress is not transparent at all and it has a very beautiful flare. There are lots of layers in this dress, and according to the price, this is the best dress in this price. This is the second dress from the same brand Parika Creation, and my size in this particular dress is large. The price of this dress is 1450 rupees and I got it at offer price of 949 rupees. It has round neck, 3/4 sleeves, and the material is rayon blend, and it is so comfortable to wear it throughout the day, and the fabric is so soft to touch. I came to know about this brand from a friend of mine, and all of the dresses from this brand are very beautiful. The color of this dress is grey and it has a very beautiful floral print of red and blue all over it. And it has this blue layer above it, and it can be tightened up with this rope according to the size. And it has this kind of red piping all over it, and for this it looks so much attractive. The fabric is not transparent at all. You can wear leggings underneath of it or you can skip that part. It's not necessary to wear leggings underneath of it. You can wear it or you can skip. It's your choice. All of this dress from this haul has a very decent height. If you are above 5 feet, then you can easily wear any of them. My height is 5 feet 2 inches and I wear a heel of 4 inches for filming this video. Now moving on to this dress, is perfect for any festive wear or any night function. This is from the brand Omax and I am trying this brand for the first time, and I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. The price of this dress is 2199 rupees and I got it at offer price of 684 rupees. This is an anarkali ethnic dress from this brand and the material is rayon blend. The fabric is so soft. This dress has multicolor and all of the colors are so vibrant, and this green is so different and unique. I literally do not have anything of this particular color, so I am so happy and excited to purchase this one. It has a very beautiful gold foil print, but I have a doubt that this color will stay or not. Do comment me in the comment section guys that if you want a after wash review of this dress, then I will love to do a after wash review of this gown. It has round neck, 3/4 sleeves, and with this tassel, this dress look amazing. This dress has a very beautiful flare and it is not transparent, so it's not necessary to wear leggings underneath of it. You can easily create different looks with this dress. Recently I did a haul video of kurta sarara set and kurta skirt set from Flipkart, and I will provide the link of that videos in my description box below and in the I button. Please do check that out, and if you guys have any request, then do comment me in the comment section. I will try to do that haul video for you. This is a very beautiful baby pink color from the brand Metro Fashion, and the price of this dress is 1499 rupees, and I got it at offer price of 399 rupees. This dress has a very beautiful wooden butterfly at the front, has a round neck, 3/4 sleeves. It has maroon piping all over it and has a very beautiful unique design at the sleeves. My size in this particular dress is large, but it is too much large for me, so I will exchange it with medium size. If you want to buy this dress, then buy one size smaller than your usual size. It has very beautiful leaf print all over it, and it has a very beautiful flare, and this dress is not transparent. This dress will look good with belts. You can carry belts with the dress. Personally, I do not like the fitting of this dress, but according to the price, it is best in the market. The material is pure cotton, so you can use it for a daily basis, and especially if you are a college goer or a student, then just go for it. This is a very beautiful dress from the brand Sheetal Associates, and I'm trying this brand too for the first time, and the price of this dress is 999 rupees, and I got it at offer price of 499 rupees. There are 9 different colors of this dress. There are 2 different reds: yellow, green, black, blue, grey, pink. There are lots of colors to choose from. I choose this red color for this dress, and it has a boat neck and a very beautiful bell sleeves. And this maxi dress has a pearl work at the front, and these pearls are not real, it's made of plastic. The color itself is so vibrant, you can easily wear it for any festive party or any casual occasion. The material of this dress is crepe, and it has a lining inside of it, and the material of this lining is polyester. It's not transparent, and the deep V-neck at the back looks amazing. I ordered large size for this dress, and somehow it loose for me, so I will exchange it with medium size. So if you want to buy this dress, then go one size smaller than your usual one. And the quality of the knit at the sleeves are not so cheap, you can definitely give it a try. Moving on to my second favorite dress from this haul, it is from the brand Hedvig Creation. The price of this dress is 1899 rupees, and I got it at offer price of 855 rupees. The material of this dress is rayon blend. It's perfect for any party or any festive wear. It has boat neck. And the color, look at the color, it's amazing. It's a kind of peachy pink color. This dress comes with these 2 parts, and the inner part is sleeveless, and on the top of it, it has this kind of jacket with pink bell sleeves, and it has print all over the jacket. It has this tassel at the front, and with this jacket it looks more elegant and more classy. I just simply love this dress. It looks amazing. My size in this particular dress is large. This dress is little bit transparent, so you have to wear anything underneath of it, and other than that everything is perfect. You can surely try out this one at my recommendation. And one more thing, why I love to shop from Flipkart, you can easily return it or exchange it according to your needs. There will be no issue. In between, if you want to follow me on my social media, I will provide the link of all my Facebook page, Facebook account and Instagram account in my description box below. You can follow me from there. This is the last dress from the haul, and it is from the brand Archie Enterprise, and the price of this dress is 1799 rupees, and I got it at offer price of 1079 rupees. My size in this particular dress is large. It is an yellow and black anarkali type of dress with round neck and bell sleeves. This dress comes with these two parts. The black part and the yellow part are different. This black part has a check print all over it, and for this white check print I am looking so slim. Check print, stripe print always gives a slim look, and it has this beautiful flare. The material is rayon blend and it is very much soft. You can surely wear this dress for any day function or any casual wear. It looks perfect and amazing. Do comment me in the comment section, guys, that if you have any query about anything, I would love to reply each and every question of yours. Keep supporting and keep loving. Without your support, I cannot go further. And keep an eye on my next haul that will be coming in next few days. Now that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day. Tata.